Welcome to Best RV Center. Nala Mari from Best RV in Torla, California. Today I'm going to be presenting the 2026 Forest River Noble. But I parked two units because they are exactly same, but they're big different in cost. And I want to explain to you what does mean Beast Mode versus the C Series. So as you see behind me, these two units, they're 2026 Forest River Noble 20.3. But one is the C Series, one is the Beast Mode. Let's start with the C Series. So this is Noble 20.3 C Series. And that one over there, Noble 20.3, same thing, but with the Beast Mode. Let's start with the C Series because they have a lot of same option, except this one has 5 items extra, and we go over it. In the C Series, or all the Noble, they come with this nice fiberglass cap. Now they're putting those LED light. I mean, if you could see them, it's really nice, bright at night. But a sunny day, you can't see that much. 2 propane tank with a cover, electric tongue jack. Over here you have, again, this is the C Series. Electric latch to the unit. You have a light here with the sensors. Pass through. Come with outside grill. It come with outside table. As a matter of fact, this table, it goes set right here. I'm just gonna give you a quick demonstration. So this table sit right there, and the grill sit next to it, and then here's the LP connection. Now, one of the major features this unit has is a big power awning, and you could see the power awning cover most of the trailer from it to the end. Outdoor speakers. I love this one. It has a floodlight. I call floodlight, LED floodlight. As well, it has the LED strip line underneath the power awning. Endless hot water heater. Continuous hot water heater on demand, made by Suburban. Outside shower, so I could do grilling, I could rinse, and I have a table to cut and put fruit on it. I'm just doing quick. Now, both units on the Noble for 2026 models, they come with a 400 watt solar panel package. So this unit has two 200 watts, so total 400 watts solar panel on board. Same thing on the Beast Mode. Storage underneath the bunk, 4 stabilizer jack. Both of them, they have the same off-road tire, except this one has a standard leaf spring. The other one's different. Then you have the pack and play door, where you could lift up the bunk and grab canoe, bicycles, electric bike, toys, whatever you like. All the Noble, they give you class 3 hitch in the back. They give you camera prep, spare tire on the cover. All the Noble, they give you a really nice, their sewage valve is sitting up higher in the ground. 30 amp power cord, cable and satellite hookup, Sani flush on the tank. And then coming over here, you could see sensors, light, aluminum construction. This is the outdoor grill and city water connection. Now, we're gonna go to the Beast Mode. What do you gain for that extra cost for Beast Mode? It's exactly same trailer. If you notice, power tongue jack same, tank same, cap is same, the pass-through storage same, nothing difference. Power awning same, doors, steps, 400 watt solar panel same, endless hot water heater same, tires same, the table outside, the jack, the storage same. But here's what you're paying for. You're paying more for this right here. The Kurtz independent suspensions with a shock and a spring, and a 2000 watt inverter built in, and we'll show you the inverter when we go inside. And if you notice, if you look this way, if the cameraman coming in, he could show you the different and the height. This trailer is set higher than this one. Why? Because this has the Beast Mode. It has the big axle. That's where is the money. The majority of the money is right there. So as you see, it's a pass-through storage, and I lift up the bunk and I could put my canoe, electric bike, EV bike, whatever you like, and then pack and play, receiver, spare tires, same setup, same sewage, same black tank flush, same slide. Everything same. What you paying extra is the as we say, the suspension, the curved suspension, off-road package, the trailer set hires, shock and spring, and the 2000 watt inverter. So the beast mode has inverter, the classic no inverter. The beast mode has bigger tires with off-road suspension. Those one is smaller tires and no off suspension. But other than that, is inside is exactly same, and I'm gonna show you. So from inside, nothing. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I'm not gonna say anything. Nothing different. The only is different inside. You have a 2000 watt inverter underneath the sofa. That's it. From inside, when you walk in, you have a nice sofa with the cup holders. You could sit, relax. That TV is a 32-inch smart TV. And again, on a swing arm, you could swing it to the bed or you could keep it straight to the dinette. And then this one is become a Murphy bed. It's very easy to do. Watch how easy. Very easy. Especially the people that get scared from Murphy bed. I mean, listen, I mean, you guys put me on timers. How long it took me. And then you have a shade here. A beautiful window in the front, headboard. And again, there's a latch for this. There's a room on the side for breathing machines, laptop, iPhone, bottled water, books. Nice closet, dress up, closed closets. You have one on the other side. And what I really like about it, it has LED lights, so you could see it's not. There's a shelf on the top, you could put more stuff in it. Easy peasy, put it this way. Also, in this particular floor plan, some people they say, look, I want to keep the bed down. You could keep it down. You could travel like this because it does not interfere with the slide out, because if I close the slide out, I'm far away from the Murphy bed. Some unit, unfortunately, if you have Murphy bed and slide, you can't put the Murphy down because it's gonna slide will not close. But with this unit, I could close the slide, and let me show you to prove for you. Give it a minute. So as you see, my Murphy bed is still down. I could lay down in the bed if I want to. There's no issue. Now, if you want me to put it back, no problem. Let me show you. And the slide is already closed. So it is up to you when you're traveling how you want it. You want the Murphy up or you want the Murphy down. You control it. I mean, less than a second I made this bed from Murphy bed. So a lot of people, they get scared from Murphy bed, but in reality on the NB20.3, this particular product line is very easy. I mean, what I did, just open up, latch, done. Put the sofa back. And I still have plenty of room. So even if I pull on the side of the road, I want to sit, relax, have a drink without opening the slide out, yes, I can. Now, some people, they ask me, could I get to the bathroom? Here's the point. If you're skinny like me, or you want to have a kids, let them jump over there and get to the bathroom, they can. Or you could slide the slide out just portion, not even just a foot. Not even, just like that. So to give you enough room to slide like this, you stop. And the beauty about the leopard slide out is I could stop anywhere. Look, I just slide a little bit. I could get to my bathroom on the side of the road, use the bathroom. I could use my fridge. And I don't have to open the slide out all the way. So that's another advantage of the nice thing about the Nova. I just have to slide it a little bit and no problem. Now let me slide it out so you could see. I love the fascia on the slide out for 2026. It's very clean. I like the lighting, pictures, the balances, the big window, and the big table, and we'll go to it. Let me just open it. Now, as you see, you have a nice dinette across the kitchen. Finally, the factory listened to us. Finally. We told them we're tired from those two posts. They hit my knees and they drive me nuts, and when you take them off, sometimes they like Lindsay. So now look how big this leg. You don't have to worry about it. It's there. There's even latch here. they allow you to let me open it just a second. This one you have to open the latch on the, yeah, there it is. You open it, you could get this way. Now make it easy, like me, guy with a poncho, make it easy to get in, get out. It close, out. You could control it the way you could go north, east, south, west on this table. And with the latch, you push on it, you see, look, I could play with it, adjust it the way I want it, and bring it down. So I could bring it down, make a bed, and I don't have to worry about lift up the board on my back, lift up the leg. All I do is just push the latch, line it up, and push down. And then when I'm done, put my hand on the latch, and then if I want to lock it, done, lock. Finally, the Forest River Noble, they listened to the dealer and brought us the better table mechanism than the other brands. Big storage on both sides. You can see they give you also the tire monitoring, the touchscreen color display for your monitoring your tires while you're driving. They come with it. Power cord, water filtrations. So that's on the Dinette. And again, nice balances. I like that leather strap, and then nice blinds. Across from it, nice TV. This TV run up 12 volt. That's the beauty. So I don't have to worry about 110. So I don't have to worry. I don't have to be offshore or generator to watch a TV. I could watch it off the battery. This is the microwave, and it's a convection microwave. So they give you electric microwave, electric oven, because you could see the strap here, this one, and stainless steel from inside. So this is a convection microwave. Nice 3 big burner range. Now this piece you could use it as a backsplash, or you could take it off and use it here as cutting board, sink cover, voila. Or I could flip it if I want to, cutting board. So this is a sink cover, cutting board, or backsplash, 3-in-1. And it has a big display here with a magnet, and then this is the plug for 110 and both kind of USB. Country sink. I could rinse my cup. Now this is really neat faucet. It has 2-way faucet, so it's a spray faucet. It has like a waterfall, or I could do high pressure to rinse or waterfall. Coming over here, it has the USB plug 110 GFI. So if you have toaster, coffee makers, you have a room for that. Nice NB light for the 2-bar stool. It gives you a nice seating area here. So when you are the wife making sandwiches, some kids could sit here. Could I have my sandwich? Could I have my pizza? Where's my drink? You have plenty of room. And again, they don't go anywhere because you can strap them when you travel. So I could sit 2 people here, 2 here, that's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I could set people 6 to 8 people in this chair. Plenty of room for storage. There's a place for cooking pans, place for your trash can or whatever you want to put. And then you have a pantry, we don't wait, or another closet for the kids. Right there. They give you the central vacuum, as you see right here. The dust, you dust all the dust and you suck it in the vacuum machine. Come with it. Beautiful 10.7 cubic foot refrigerator, almost 11 cubic foot refrigerator, 12 volt. Oh, nice. Work very efficient, quick, fast. And again, you don't have to worry. You already have 400 watt, because everybody tell me it's a 12 volt. Yes, it's gonna take power from the batteries in the front, but you have 400 watt solar panel will feed up those batteries quick, and you can realize it. Also will take 12 volts through the converter, through the offshore and the generator. So no worries about running on this one. Now, this is what I like about Noble. They give you everything. I don't have to go buy a ladder. Some brands you have to go buy a ladder. Also, too big. Look at it. I could sleep easy 2 people here, or 2 kids, or big huge one over here. This one is move, as we demonstrated. So, I could move it and get to the outside, so I could get my canoe, my electric bike, kids' toys, whatever I can. And each one has window. That's a big deal. Window, window. And they give you ladder. And they asked me how many pounds you could hold. 300 pounds. Put 300 pounds in the tub. Going to the bathroom. I love this. You should show them this. This is really neat. This is remind me by grandpa bedroom. Nice lighting. Fantastic fan. Towels hanging. This is your solar panel controller for your in-demand hot water heater Suburban. And then this one has tank heater. Now you told me, whoa, wait a minute. What do you mean by tank heater? The nice thing about the Noble is every tank, fresh, gray, black, has a heat pad on it to keep it warm. So like people from Colorado, Utah, Reno, when it gets so cold, they turn these switches and the tank, they keep warm, they don't freeze up on you. And that's the way you don't have problem in your plumbing. Nice medicine cabinet with a toothbrush. A nice sink, very roomy, place to put towels and more. You want to put the trash can. Shower is very roomy, easy to get in. Look how the height of the elbow. Nice shower head and nowhere to go outside. Voila, you see it? So this is nice thing about dirt. And it's a porcelain, easy to clean. So these kind of the features of the NB20.3. We recommend it. Oh, and then they came up with this gizmo. They asked me, everybody, what's this blue light here, ABC? Well, this is a Bluetooth for the speakers. So you have two speakers inside, two speakers outside. Speakers A, speakers B, inside, outside. I could do Bluetooth through my iPhone to them. I could do Bluetooth to the TV. All of it is right here. This is the awning switch, the light for the interior. This is the porch light, the floodlight I call it, and it's and a rocking switch, awning light, and a slide out switch. Everything is right here. And the controller for the black and gray is in the back. Folks, I want you to come to Best RV. Why? What is our model of Best RV? No hidden fees. What is, again, free get ready package. We make this unit ready for you at no cost. The other day, a customer told me, I want to bring individual inspector. I said, yeah, feel free, you can. But you're wasting money. Why? Because our unit at Best RV is inspected twice. It's inspected in the service department when you buy it. And the day you come pick it up, we'll do a full inspection with you and a technician to show everything is work and function. We have even clipboard. We go through it to show you cold is cold, hot is hot, everything. So we do way better than those individual inspectors. And we show you and we make sure you will not leave our lot until you sign the form saying everything is done, demonstrated, and shown to you, and no surprises. Because we want you to go straight from Best RV straight to a campground and enjoy it and use it and no issue. Come to Best RV because price, we assure you no one in the state of California could match it. Number 2, no hidden fees. Number 3, free get ready package. And if you want to finance it, we get you the best and the lowest interest rate in the country. Come to Best RV, put us through the test. Let's save you money and let's put your dream on the road. Come in.